close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Long requested, overdue, how to make Jamaican tamarind ball in your kitchen, fast, easy and simple, the way mama showed me. Come on and let me show you how.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you get. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Now, let's talk about our tamarind now, because that's the main ingredients that you will need to make a tamarind ball recipe. Now, this is what your tamarind look like. And when you crack the shell, this is what your tamarind will look like on the inside. Like that. This part, you're going to disregard it. So all you're going to do is pull this part from off of the fruit itself. This you won't need. And this is what we're going to work with. Now, the other ingredients that you're going to need is a must-have to make the tamarind ball, right? You're going to need brown sugar. You have to have brown sugar for this recipe. You're definitely going to get some granulated sugar as well. When I was growing up, my mom that used to make it, she used to either had black pepper to it or she had hot pepper sauce to it. Okay, so my choice today, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of hot pepper sauce. If you don't want to go hot pepper sauce, like I said, black pepper will do. Okay, now I'm also going to add some Jamaican white rum to it, right here, so. And I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon. Depending on how much you're making, you could add less. I'm going to add a little bit of something, right? Now, if kids are going to eat it, leave it out. You don't want to make the pit in them junk. So, come on and let's get the tamarind ball together. Fast, easy, and simple. Now that my tamarind is nice and clean and the shells are off, you want to double check just to make sure that you don't have any shells on that, because I don't want to make a tamarind balls with shells in it. Now, I know that you guys are going to ask me how much tamarind we use. This is the box that I bought it in. So I use the entire box, right? And I purchased this at my local farmer's market here in Georgia. I'm going to go ahead and add the half a teaspoon of hot pepper sauce to it. And now, like I said before, you could use black pepper if you want. I'm also going to add some white rum. And if you're going to make it for the kids, like I said, don't put it in there. I'm going to add my brown sugar to it. Granulated sugar too. But don't use all of the granulated sugar because you're going to need it to finish off your recipe. Now with clean hands, you're going to go in and you're going to combine this together. And you're just going to keep going until it becomes a dough. Now, when you get it looking pretty much like that, it is perfect. While you're mixing it though, you're going to have some seeds that come out. That's any amount of seeds come out, that's fine. If the seeds don't come out, it's still fine. You're good to go. But you want to make it look just like this. Then you're going to pinch it off just like that. You're going to decide the size that you want to have your little balls into. I like it like this. So what you're going to do is roll it into the sugar like that, and in the palm of your hand you do that and dip it back again into the sugar. Roll it in your hand again. Just keep doing that until it becomes pretty firm. And that right there, guys, is how you make Jamaican tamarind ball in your kitchen. Right there. there you have it, guys. I am all done. That is how you make Jamaican tamarind ball, old school, in my kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Thumbs up, like, and share. Let me know where you want to see me cooking at my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.